Hello, thank you for clicking on this video. I'm Ahmed from Hexometer, and today I want to give you a walkthrough on how to use the security monitor. So let's hop right into it. So before we start, I want to mention a few things. You should know that thousands of websites are infected by some type of malware daily. Security issues can cause downtime, blacklisted search rankings, as well as a steep cost to fix and to restore your website. In this tutorial, we are going to walk you through how Hexometer monitors your site for security best practices. Once you upgrade to a paid plan, Hexometer will start monitoring your site to catch potential security issues and will alert you should problems be detected. So let's start with the walkthrough now. So you can access your security dashboard by clicking on the security section. The security dashboard takes into consideration 5 key areas, and let's review how each one works. The first area is Ssl Certificate Monitoring. So basically what it does, it creates an encrypted link between your server and your browser or server accessing your website. So what Hexometer does, it checks your Ssl certificate to ensure that it's valid and it's up to date, so it provides timely alerts when renewals are due. The second area is security header monitoring. HTTP security headers provide an extra layer of security for a website by mitigating security vulnerabilities. So if you keep up with the HTTP security headers, your website will be secure. Implementing these headers is easy, and they only require a small change to the configurations of the website. As part of its comprehensive monitoring, Hexometer checks your HTTP security headers should problems be detected and alerts you when they need to be fixed. So the next area is malicious code scanning. So Hexometer performs daily scans to unknown web resources, social engineering sites, phishing, deceptive, and malware. So the fourth area is domain and DNS monitoring. Hexometer will perform daily scans of your DNS, DMRC, MX, and Facebook DNS verification records. So that way Hexometer ensures the best security settings as well as the best deliverables. So the fifth area is IP address blacklist monitoring. They are used to report bad actors that are flagged for spamming or other nefarious purposes. But mail server configuration issues such as missing or incorrect DNS records, missing or incorrect banner greetings, and mail servers operating within a suspicious range of IP addresses can get your IP address flagged. So what Hexometer Security Monitor does, it checks if your IP addresses have been blacklisted by the leading security authorities. So this is it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. This was Ahmed from Hexometer, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.